on the seat.
Oh my gosh, this plane is so tiny. We all have to like crouch to walk through it.
We're leaving already.
We're already leaving. Well, we were just kidding about our last video in our Everest series. This is our last one.
It's about 5 in the morning and we are about to fly out of one of the world's most dangerous airports.
Let's see how this goes. Pretty warm, huh?
Pretty warm, huh?
It is actually warmer than normal.
Alright.
How do we get to the airport?
So first of all, getting to this little airport in this town is super easy. There is basically one main stretch of like road, and then you're at the airport.
Oh. And you actually walk to this airport because there are no cars up here yet. The nearest cars are like a day's trek down, so you walk everywhere.
And our tea house was like a 3-minute walk from the airport, so we'll be there in a second. Quite the airport. We're in departures. Oh, there is a little security check, I guess.
Actually still bigger than the Spanish Falls Airport in the Bahamas. But not by much, because that place is a little shack.
I wish it was laid out so we could show you the runway, because you can tell, I mean, the runway just shows you why it's the 10th most dangerous airport in the world.
It's tiny.
It's tiny, and it's like downhill, and right at the end you take off and have to turn because there's mountains right on the other side.
It's crazy. Maybe when it gets light up, we'll be able to show you. But
yeah. Crazy. Not sure if you heard those dogs, but that's what we listened to all night. Oh, there they are again. Keep you up all night. The planes are so small that checking the weight of the bags is pretty important. So right now, everybody is getting their bags weighed. Maddie and I only have 1 bag apiece. Most people have 2 bags, so we should be okay.
And now we're in like this little waiting area. There's actually like a little cafe that serves real food and apparently a VIP room. Don't know how to get in there. Priority pass. Come on now.
Well, our flight was supposed to leave at 6:45, but the planes just now started coming in and it's 7:10. And the plane that just came in isn't even our airline, so we're gonna be waiting a little bit longer. But at least the views are nice.
Our plane has made it in. It seems quite a bit bigger than the other plane that had landed. But now we're just kind of waiting. I'm not sure how long it's gonna be there. We're officially an hour and 15 minutes past when we're supposed to leave. We have zero idea how long we're leaving. There's no communication here, so I guess we're just chilling for now. There have been like 3 or 4 more planes that have came in though, and they're all just chilling, so don't know. We'll see.
I guess they're having some planes get loaded up, but not ours. So we're gonna wait a little bit longer. Well, we just got to watch all the planes leave, and I guess we have to wait for the next round. I don't know why they made all of us get here at 5:30, because now we're just gonna wait probably over another hour.
Might get some breakfast.
Yeah, we could have slept in and eaten breakfast, but oh well, I guess. Plane is here and we are going out. It's been like 10 minutes, so they're getting it really quick now. You ready to get on the plane?
No, I hate small planes. They're the worst.
This is a tiny plane, so turbulence is gonna be real.
My knees hardly fit in the seat.
Oh my gosh, this plane is so tiny. We all have to like crouch to walk through it.
We're leaving already.
We're already leaving.
We literally just got on the plane.
It's really bumpy already. Alright, we made it off the ground. The views of the mountains are crazy too. Got on the plane, and as soon as everybody was on, they shut the door, started the engines, and took off. Like, I wasn't even buckled in yet. Now it's getting turbulent. I can see light coming through the door on the plane. So. Landed. I think we're landed. The flight was like 15 minutes long. And we just touched ground. Madie is terrified.
Because I had Dan. If I had to sit next to a stranger, they would have been thinking that I was way too close for comfort.
Well guys, that was us flying out of the 10th most dangerous airport in the world.
That was one of the wildest experiences I think I've ever had. From the time they called our ticket number to the time we were taking off, it seriously was like 5 minutes.
I didn't even buckle in yet and we were taking off.
Like they shoved us in and literally just held up the safety briefing card, put it back down, and we were off.
Yep, that was crazy. But,
See you later.
all right, so this is gonna end our Everest series.
Yes.
So we'll catch you in our next country.
Bye.